Friday afternoon, Detective Schmidt answered. She picked her kids up from school around 3 p.m. and then she took them to a playground in the park. That's where we got the picture from. He nodded toward the photo on the table. Her husband wasn't with them. Sarah asked. No, said Detective Duke. He left Thursday evening for L.A. He's in the movie business. Big time. Ah, Sarah said. Was that why he never stayed around? Why she only ever saw him in glimpses. The detectives exchanged a glance. Mrs. Rock, said Detective Duke, we're going to ask you again if you can think of any reason why Hannah might have come to your home last Tuesday evening. No, she answered, surprised at how steady her voice sounded. But what if I did see her? Should I have called you? Of course, said Detective Schmidt, but if you didn't know who she was, how could you have known to call us? That's true, she conceded. Then, when did you first see her? As I said, I may have seen her in the park. I don't really know. Well, Detective Duke said slowly, there is one other thing we want to ask you about. This happened recently, right? Yes, she answered cautiously. Was it raining the evening of the 23rd? No, it was a beautiful night. Why? Because it rained heavily that night, said Detective Schmidt. And the security camera outside your house was out of order. We understand that it's been raining heavily that night. Do you understand what we're driving at? I do, she said faintly. You think she was killed that night? And because it was raining, they put the body in the river. By now, the body would have been found if it was in the river. Would they have dumped her body in the East River? Possibly, Detective Duke said. If they didn't kill her that night, then they probably killed her Friday evening after they got back from dropping the kids off at school. They were here for dinner, she whispered. But why? The detectives exchanged another look. We think, said Detective Schmidt, that your husband killed her. Sarah gasped and fell back in her chair. Lawrence, did you kill Hannah? The word was out of his mouth before he realized how abrupt he'd been. Sarah stared at him, speechless.